The Early College High School project is in the final stages of building construction. The steel erection and tornado shelter roof were completed and masonry started in May. For June, sheetrock was hung and overheads in the kitchen were installed as well. July 2023, the curtain wall started for the front of the building. Tile work was started in the kitchen area, second floor overhead started, and the roof was finished in the classroom locations. The main power for the building was turned on mid-August to help move towards the finish-out stage of the building. By mid-September, the kitchen freezer panels arrived. Tile was finished in the kitchen. First and second floor tape, bed, texture, and paint were completed, and installation of light fixtures and ceiling grid in classrooms and administration areas. Entering October, the area focus has been to prepare for furniture delivery set to arrive on November 13th. The building envelope is almost enclosed. The elevator is scheduled to arrive mid-October. HVAC rooftops are now installed in Area B of classrooms. HVAC inlines are almost complete in the tornado shelter area. Soon, interactive flat panels will be installed along with doors and hardware. The phenolic soffit is complete on the exterior. The construction trailer was removed to start working on sidewalks on the front entrance area of the building. Currently, the E-layer for the turf field is being laid, and before the end of the month, you should see turf installed on the practice field. The Facilities Department would like to thank taxpayers for their support as we approach final completion of the Early College High School facility.